I'm going to show you step by step how easy it is to go live on your computer without using encoding software. I have tried Wirecast, the free one that came with YouTube for a while, then I did the paid version, I've tried OBS, and I've had nothing but problems. But this new feature from YouTube makes it so easy. It's as easy as going live from your phone. So let's go pop down onto my computer and check it out. To go live on YouTube, simply go to the upper right-hand corner and go into Creator Studio. Once you're in Creator Studio, go over here to Live Streaming. Find where it says Camera. Right now it says New next to it, so it's really easy to find. This little box will pop up and you can put in the title of your choice. Make sure to use good searchable words. Then you can choose Public or Enlisted here. I'm guessing you're probably going to want to go public. And then you've got more options. Now this is where you put the information that you want in the down bar area. So this would be the description of your video, etc. Now make sure to go down here and choose your camera because it does not default to the one that I like. So it might not default for yours. Then check your microphone. It is defaulted to my Yeti, so that's perfect. There are some advanced settings that you might want to take advantage of, allowing chat or not allowing it, and age restrictions, things like that. All right, so now we're almost ready to go. Go ahead and hit next, and it's going to have you take your thumbnail. Now, this may or may not be the thumbnail that you want. In my case, let's just say I don't like it. You can click it and retake it, or you can upload a custom thumbnail. Then I'll just pop in one of these thumbnails that I like better than the one that I took. Before you go live, make sure to share it to your other social media channels. You can do it directly from here, or you can just hit copy and then open up another window, or maybe you already have one open, and go ahead and share that directly to your Facebook page or wherever else you want to put it. And then all you have to do is hit the button and go live, which I'm not going to do because I have something about shopping and Gen Beauty. I have how to go live on YouTube without using encoding software as my title. So this whole thing makes no sense, but I showed you how to do it, and that's what's important. Now, wasn't that easy? You can go live right now. Go to your computer, go try it. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I look forward to seeing you in another video soon. Have a great day or evening wherever you are.